This is Dr. Ashok Zadav from Roha, Raigad. I'm basically MD medicine, practicing here in since last 25 years. I'm having a hospital setup here with a ICU there, and I'm seeing a lot of patients regarding medicines, cardiac, and cerebral accidents, and all medicine patients from the territory here and nearby. Heart failure is inability of the heart to pump effectively to maintain enough blood flow to meet the body's need, or a weakness in the pumping of function of the heart. Heart failure may be the result of abnormality in the heart, which result in impaired ejection of blood from the heart or impaired filling of the blood into the heart. Heart failure may be characterized by symptoms such as shortness of breath, easy fatigability, chest pain, rapid heartbeats, or swelling to the legs. Heart failure may increase the risk of hospitalization in certain situations. Heart failure may also be a life-threatening thing. Approximately 1 to 2% of the India's population may be suffering from the heart failure. People with long-standing or uncontrolled hypertension or diabetes, people who have had a heart attack or birth defects in the heart may be at risk of developing heart failure. The early recognition of symptoms of heart failure, such as shortness of breath, abnormal fatigue, or swelling the feet, may also help in identifying the heart failure. People who are at risk and who have developed symptoms of heart failure should consult their doctor. If required, your doctor may recommend a simple blood test to measure the level of biomarkers such as BNP and ultrasound of the heart, which is called as echocardiography, to diagnose it. Heart failure is serious but manageable with lifestyle changes, optimal medical treatment, and advanced therapies for heart failure. Significant progress has been made in terms of newer drugs to treat heart failure and supporting device-based therapies to help patients live a better, stable life and carry out their daily activities. If you or your loved one have been diagnosed with heart failure recently, please consult your doctor to know about how to manage heart failure and what are the new therapies for heart failure that are available. Heart failure is easily manageable and with optimal medical treatment and lifestyle modifications, that is limiting the salt intake, avoiding alcohol, avoiding smoking, avoiding tobacco, that will help in managing the heart failure better. Along with that, routine monitoring of heart failure as recommended by your doctor is important, and medications for heart failure should be taken as recommended by your doctor, and routine visits to the clinic and evaluation of the disease by doctor help in monitoring the progress and modification of the treatment required. If you are diagnosed with diabetes, hypertension, and have had a heart attack, then you have to watch for the signs and symptoms of heart failure such as sudden onset of breathlessness, abnormal fatigue, and or swelling of the legs. Then you have to immediately consult your doctor and get evaluated. Then if you are diagnosed with heart failure, ensure that you make a necessary dietary and lifestyle modifications as recommended by your doctor. Understand your medications and ask your doctor regarding your treatments and available for heart failure and precautions to be taken.